Well, hello guys and welcome back to Cooking with Sadaf. I am Sadaf and today we are going to talk about sour milk and yogurt. Can you substitute them? Can you use them instead of each other? And what are them really? And what do they do in the cake? And can you use them instead of mayonnaise? Well, let's go into the video. Sometimes in some recipes you see that it said sour milk, or you can use yogurt, or you can use mayonnaise. But what are the differences and why these three? So first, we have to define what are each of these. Sour cream is cream with at least 20% fat that has been cultured with some lactic acid bacteria, and it's kind of acidic cream, so it's obvious and it has a lot of fat. But what is yogurt? Yogurt, as we all know, is cultured milk which has fat percentage of around 2 to 11% maximum. And actually the bacteria that cultures milk is way different than the bacteria that cultures sour cream. And what is mayonnaise? Definitely not friend for your skin and health, but it's just a mixture of a lot of oil, vegetable oil or olive oil, and eggs, which acts as emulsifier, and some vinegar. So a lot of fat, like around 99% fat, and just some acidic quality. So they are pretty same in a table if you can compare them. And there is also their far relative, which is buttermilk, and it doesn't have that much fat, but we'll get into it. And now let's get to what does it actually do in the cake. As you saw, it has a lot of fat and protein, which the protein part and the protein of the milk will go to the Maillard reaction into the oven and give you that kind of rich, flavorful taste. And it will give your cake or any baked good kind of fluffier, richer taste because of that higher added protein and fat actually. But it is also acidic, which will react with the leavener agents such as baking powder or baking soda that is available in their recipe. For example, most of the recipes that has baking soda or baking powder, it really needs, especially if it has baking soda, it really needs that acidic agent because it's very basic, it's very alkaline, and it needs that acidic agent to react with it and make it natural. So we have that acidic agent that also has the fat percentage in it too. But can we substitute them? Well, if you don't have sour cream and the cake requires sour cream, yes, you can substitute it, or in bread recipes, you can substitute it with some yogurt that is high in fat, for example, above 4% fat, or yogurts that have been emulsified better, or a stirred yogurt. Greek yogurt is also better, and they are not so watery or too sour. And if you think that your yogurt is not sour enough, you can also add just a tablespoon or teaspoon of apple cider vinegar or regular vinegar into it to make it more acidic. But when you don't have yogurt or you don't have sour cream, you just have mayonnaise, yes, you can use mayonnaise, but bear in mind that mayonnaise is more fatty and it might give you a little more fattier result, but mayonnaise is not as acidic as yogurt or sour cream, so you might need to add just a little teaspoon of vinegar to it too. But how about buttermilk? Well, you cannot substitute sour cream with buttermilk, but you can do it when you need some yogurt. When there is a need of yogurt which is a little runnier, you can sometimes substitute them. I recommend that you mostly substitute them in recipes with breads or recipes that don't require that quantity of fat inside the recipe. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to smash the like button so that this video will reach to more people, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that we can make the family bigger and I can make more videos for you. Let me know any question, any comments, anything that you want to ask from me, any conundrums, baking problems. I will read all of them in the comments. Also, before you leave, don't forget to check this video that I've prepared for you. And until then, I will see you later in the next video.